everything over this direction is just...
Look at the sill plate there. It's just got a big hole in it too.
Yeah, well, I have to weld that up.
Well, fucking idiot didn't, even though he's supposed to.
No.
Oh. Yeah, take it.
No, you said there's supposed to be something there, right?
All 5 fingers.
Oh god. Yeah, because look, this side, it's all completely closed. That side, no.
I don't know if I can see it.
It has the flange. It goes all the way down to the Floorpan.
Yep.
Nothing this side.
Is that good floor pan, Tony? Oh, look how good you fix it! So is this the best work you've ever seen in your life?
It's fantastic.
Yeah, you welded so good. Welded so good, Tony. Yeah, scrape it good there, Tony.
Oh, you stopped. I thought I saw a hole, but it wasn't a hole. It was just... Oh. It looks like a hole, but it's not. Ah, I'm thinking. As if I haven't burned myself enough. We got a blister. Jesus.
Good God. It's very nice.
I look like Toxic Avenger or some shit.